Hi my YouTube friends, today I'm going to show you how to change the key battery for my 2016 BMW X5. Here's all you need: a small screwdriver, any kind, and a scissors, any kind, and the replacement batteries. Let's put this aside. So first, identify there's a little button on the side right here. You need to push in that button, and at the same time you pull out this little metal piece here. Then next step, you're gonna use your fingers to open this key. Put your thumbs like this and pull. It's already open a little bit, but there's a little two taps over here. You need to use some force to open it. It's not easy to open. Okay, I'll try to open this side first. Let's see. Okay, got it. It's hard. I'll try if you use my screwdriver here. You slide the thing in. Okay, hopefully it'll be good. Alright. So the battery type is DL/CR 2032. And to remove the battery, you need to use this little screwdriver. Oh, pops out. Be careful, don't damage any circuits inside. I hope I didn't. This is a new battery. I bought it from Amazon. It only cost less than $2 a piece. Put it in like this, and put back the cap. You slide in this side first. This is a little tap here. Slide this side in. Okay, here we go. That's it. And locked. You're done. Test it. You can hear it. It works. Thank you for watching.